Hello and welcome to this exclusive interview on ET Edge Insights. And today we have a very special guest with us. We have the MD of VIP Industries, Miss Neetu Kashiramkar. Neetu ma'am, thank you for doing this with
My
ET Edge
pleasure.
Insights. It's a pleasure to host you.
Same here.
Let me begin by asking you, from the time you took over as the MD in November 2023, I believe, uh, what has been your core strategy and how have you prioritized those strategies and aligned them in the organization?
So, as soon as I took over as a managing director, the challenge which VIP was facing was losing market share because there were a lot of new entrants. And therefore, I spent 20 days in the market, different markets, interior as well as the cities, to find out actually what is wrong and why
Right.
VIP is losing market share. And I realized that VIP has a great brand recall. Every consumer is giving us a chance, but we are missing it because they feel that the product is not right for them, and that is where I started working on the product. Today, if you go to our store, we are as contemporary as any other new age brand is.
Right.
Also, with reliability, durability, which VIP is known for,
Right.
today we are as modern as others.
Right,
So
right.
that was my first focus area. And we roped in an international designer also. Today, an international Japanese designer who has won 14 Red Dot Awards in last 18 years is part of our design team.
Right, right. Wonderful. So, since you've talked about contemporary, let us know a little bit about Caprese, the brand. If you
Yes.
can just talk about it.
So Caprese is part of VIP overall, and it deals in ladies' handbag, and that's something which actually resonates with international branding, and it's very near to us, especially because we are women, and
Right.
that is part of our day-to-day life.
Right, right. Very interesting. You've personalized the product for women. In terms of the manufacturing industry, which is traditionally male-driven industry, uh, in your organization now as an MD, how do you instill that culture of inclusivity, and more so, how is VIP looking at it, so that that overall blend is there in the manufacturing
So I
sector?
would say that inclusivity was always there as a
Right.
part of DNA of VIP.
Right.
And that is where there was 30% board seats when I became part of the board.
Right.
30% women, which means inclusivity was always a DNA of VIP. I definitely want to add more to it, and I added few in my leadership team as well. Also, in the second line, I always believe that we should give a fair chance to all
Right.
the women.
Right.
And being in this position, if I can do something whereby the women force can increase in my organization, that is something which
Right.
I would definitely look at
Right,
doing.
right. Wonderful. Now, digital transformation, that is something which is, across
Right.
and more so in manufacturing. So, how has VIP Industries embraced emerging technologies like AI to improve operational efficiencies, as well as, getting into, the core manufacturing efficiency as well?
So basically, AI we are using for a lot of reporting
Right.
because that helps quick reporting. Also, a lot of consumer information or insights, I think, which helps us to innovate on the product side is something which we are using AI
Right.
for. Today, we are also using AI for our manufacturing, whereby we can reduce the cycle time for blowing the
Right.
PP and PC
Right,
baggages.
right, right. How does VIP Industries look at sustainability as a whole?
So sustainability, we have three parts to it.
Right.
One is using a material which is recyclable. So today 90% of our plastic luggage is PP, which is polypropylene, which is fully recyclable,
Right.
which used to be polycarbonate in the past. The second, we have launched multiple products which are making use of sustainable materials. I have an ambition that our Carlton brand, which is the premium brand, in next 3 to 5 years should be fully sustainable.
Wow. It's wonderful. Looking at the future now, how do you envision VIP Industries in the next few years? Obviously, taking into consideration the competitive luggage market. So, how do you envision that?
So basically, as an organization, I believe in innovating more and more.
Right.
Today, what we are doing is we are adding more and more innovative ideas.
Right.
I'm launching a luggage. Like from 15th of July, all my luggages will have a tag.
Right.
Okay, this tag is one of its kind, which is Find Me tag. Today, multiple times you miss your luggages at the airport.
Right.
Now, this will remove that issue. So that's something which is very
That's
innovative.
very unique. Yeah.
And it will be available with all our brands.
Right.
So Skybag, VIP, and Carlton, all the luggages will have this tag as a complimentary
Right.
to all consumers.
Right. Right.
And other three things which I have in innovation is lightweight, then looking at luxury ideas, and the third one is use of technology in products.
Right.
So
right.
behind these three technologies we are working on. My idea is that in next 3 to 5 years we should have some products which nobody had thought that it can come into luggages.
Wonderful. On that note, thank you very much for your wonderful insights. It was a pleasure chatting with you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
for calling
Thank you
me.
for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.